The basics of Microsoft Excel or the spreadsheet application. Now this Excel, it is a handy software developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. This particular application can be used to store and organize many data sets as per the requirement of the user. Using its features and formulas, one can also use the tool to make sense of the data. For example, one can use a spreadsheet to track data and automatically see the sums, the averages, the totals and many more. So let us begin our journey with this Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel, go for blank workbook. A blank workbook will be opened before you. Now the default name for the Excel file is Book 1. It will be displayed on the title bar. Below it you will find a couple of tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas and others. Each and every tab will come up with different groups. Like under Home tab you will find Clipboard group, Font group, Alignment group. Same way, if I go to the Page Layout tab, I will be provided with Themes group, Page Setup group, Sheet Options, different groups are there. Now each and every group will provide you with different options that will help you to serve your purpose. Like under Font group, under Home tab, Front group, we have different formatting options. Right? Now, below it we can see there are so many or lots of boxes. What are these? These are called cells. These are called cells. Now, this is the first cell, this one second, third, fourth. Now, there are numerous cells in a particular sheet. This particular a single cell can contain any type of text, any numbers or the alphanumeric content. So what a cell can contain? Text or alphabets, number 2 numbers or numeric and alphanumeric content. Now how to identify a cell's name? Because there are numerous cells, how can I identify this particular cell? For that, the cell naming concept is there. How you should name a cell? By the name of the column first, then name of the row. For example, this is the first cell. The naming convention is column name followed by row name. So the cell name for this particular cell will be A1. Same way, if I come to this particular cell, what will be the name of this cell? First column name, that is I, then row name, that is 17, row number. So a cell is identified by the combination of column and column name and row number. This way we identify the cells. Right? Now, in a single sheet, total number of columns is numerous. So, the value or the number for the last column is XFD. So, the last column, it is equivalent to more than 16,000. So, This XFD is the last column name. XFD. Same way, the last row, this is the total number of column. The last row will be, the total number of rows in a single sheet is 10,48,576. Yes, it's large, it's huge. 10,48,576. Right? This I have talked about a single sheet. Now this is the single sheet that is shown as sheet 1. In this way, we can also add more and more sheets by pressing this plus sign of new sheet option. So each and every sheet will contain that X50 columns and 10 lakhs plus rows. It's huge. Now when we are working with more than one sheet, as this application provides us the feature of working with more than one sheet, this particular file can be termed as workbook. Alright, this particular option it provides. Right? So here we have talked about the preliminary areas regarding the Excel application. We are going to continue with our next video.